start by presenting myself. As I was saying, at Freshblood, we are a group of people that, as Jon used to say, we have more hats. So I am trained as a psychologist, but I have a master in marketing and a little bit of entrepreneurial background. And my first contact with the healthcare system started when my daughter was born in 2015 with a kidney problem. You can see her with me in the picture. She was actually after her surgery. And at that moment, kind of my life changed. And I started creating a group of for parents with children with kidney problems. And we started to see that we have the same problem. And I was trying to change something, and I was trying to see how I can help parents navigate the process easier, because it was difficult for us to navigate it. And that is when I entered Freshblood, and I found a group of people, like I like to say, fighting the good fight, because we were trying to change something and they were trying to change something. And together we are a group of people that we are in contact with startups and with founders and with other NGOs, people trying to change things. And it was a nice road for me. And I'm part of Freshblood for 2 years now. I'm also a patient advocate. And as I was saying, I created the Kidney Kids Romania for parents with children with kidney problems. At Freshblood, we focus on people, projects, and partnerships. And for people, I mean students, doctors, researchers, developers, projects that we are part of, and projects that we create, in partnership with universities, NGOs, companies, and investors. This is where we are in Europe, and this is where we are in Romania. The players in healthcare, we kind of try to position ourselves in the middle and collaborate with everybody from venture capital to pharma to government and other NGOs. Our collaborators are Department of Public Health from Babes-Bolyai, EIT Health. We are Risk Hub for Romania from 2018. Romania Health Cluster, Transylvania IT Cluster, ATH Alliance. What we did actually in 2022, like a short summary numbers, we organized 18 events and we participated in 43. We engaged 50 startups. We participated in 20 stakeholders meetings. We had about 100 hours of mentoring provided by Jon and Mircea, our colleagues. We sent 11 newsletters, and we have 406 people that want to be in our database. We also have 3 projects that we've created. We have the GPA, where we are connected with the university stakeholders. We have Health Tech Next Generation that we organized for the 3rd edition last year, where we tried to get the hackathon winners and the SAS winners that won a prize in 2022 on a health project and put them together in front of a jury and give them also mentorship, and also help them present themselves more and get them all together in the same place, to also inspire others that are not ready to start a startup but are thinking about it. And as you can see in the corner of the picture with the health tech startup map that we present every year, I want to tell you a little bit of our success stories from 2022. So we have morning health talks that we organized in May with participants, with international speakers and doctors. And we actually had a startup that was a DIGA candidate. And the second event was in October. Also a lot of online participants in a time when people was kind of getting Zoom fatigue. Also with doctors using startup solution in hospitals. What was nice after our event was that the startup that presented in Morning Health Talks actually got DIGA approved, and now is used in Germany as the second outside startup that got approved. Another program that we launched last year was Hub Vantage, where we tried to, this is in a consortium with Hive and Activize, so we are 3 organizations working on this, where we organized events meeting the founders, technical support, and health innovation. We wanted to create a place where startup founders can meet and support each other and get personalized mentorship. We got a good feedback, and we're going to continue this project this year. And as the short say a picture of our Transylvania ecosystem in one picture. As you can see, we have representative for universities, investors, startup companies. There we are, me and Jon, and our mentor Monse Dabant. We actually invited her in Romania in a meeting in December with 2 entities that were accepted in the DRIVE program, where Freshblood catalyzed this event and helped them get into the DRIVE program. What we want to do in 2023 is still organize and attend events, engage with startup and stakeholders. And what's new for us is that we are part of DigitPre that we will be running for 3 years. We still plan to attract more private fundings, and we want to continue to organize hackathons. We have this as a service, and we plan to create new programs and offer new services that we are working on. This is us in our first team building, and like I like to say, we don't try to just create and deliver KPIs. We want to create a community of like-minded people that fight the good fight. This is all from me. Thank you, and that's my email if you want to contact me.